Hey there, ladies, gentlemen, and humans. I'm going to do a tutorial video and it will teach you how to microwave your pizza correctly without it drying out or drying out. So the main trick to this trick is that you've got to wet your pizza under the wet tap. So I'm going to do that now. I'm going to wet the pizza. As you can see, you've got to get the pizza nice and wet. Both sides. Otherwise it won't work properly. Now you've got to put the pizza in the middle of the microwave. Oh! 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 And microwave it for a long time. Oh! It's finished! Oh! Oh! Steam! That's how you know it's worked. So you've got your pizza nice and wet. Just firm it up in there, get rid of the excess noise. Okay, after it's been in there for a while, you carefully pick up the pizza and it's nice and moist. See? And it's nice and firm on the bottom. Perfect. So I hope you've enjoyed the tutorial about how to microwave your pizza correctly. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel where I will be posting tutorials like this every day. I love you.